How to turn an Amazon Kindle book into an audiobook step by step. Let's get started. Number one, you want to publish your Amazon Kindle ebook first and foremost, okay? And when I say Amazon Kindle ebook, I mean the ebook version. Okay, it's just trust me, when you do the ebook version, it's a lot easier because you can change the subtitle and whatnot if you have to. With the paperback, it's harder to change the subtitle. So I highly recommend first finish your publish the Amazon Kindle ebook with KDP first. Second step, once the ebook is published on KDP, Amazon, the second step is to post the audiobook job on ACX. So ACX is the audiobook department owned by Amazon. You're going to log into that ACX account. In the top right corner as of right now, it has an add title button. Click on that to post your ebook as an audiobook narrator job for the narrators out there, to send you to auditions, which leads to the third step. You're going to get all these auditions. The third step is to listen to all the auditions. And what you're going to look for is someone with the best microphone and the best voice, okay? And their voice must fit the theme of the topic of your book, okay? It has to just sound natural and right. Fourth step is, after you listen to all the narrators, the next thing is the ones that have the good microphone and the good voice and have potential to be the narrator you want to hire, you want to click on favorite, okay? Favorite the best narrators. Some of my books get up to over 100 auditions for just one single book, okay? 100 auditions, that's a lot. So favorite the ones that really stand out, usually like the 10% or whatnot. So fifth step is, after you favorite the narrators, you want to re-listen to all the favorites over and over again until you find the one that just stands out. And sometimes, a lot of time, they're just going to be, out of the favorites, they're going to stand out from all the other favorites as well. So pick the best one, okay? And the sixth step is, after you find the best narrator, okay, doing this process, the sixth step is to send the offer to the audio voice over narrator, okay? Send the offer, okay? Just send an offer for the narrator. And in terms of sending an offer, details, I like to do it per finished hour. I don't want to share royalty or whatnot because that gets complicating with other platforms out there. So I like to just keep it simple, fixed price per finished hour, okay? After that, seventh step, after they accept the offer most of the time, then what you're going to do is you're going to upload the manuscript. Basically, the manuscript is the ebook. Just upload it. They have in acx.com, they have an option to upload the book, the ebook. Just upload it as a manuscript. The eighth step is to, after that, you're pretty much done on your own. You're just going to wait for the narrator. The eighth step is to listen and wait and listen for the first 15 minutes audio, okay? The process is that after she sends the ebook, the narrator is going to not just finish the whole audiobook all at once. They're going to have to first finish the first 15 minutes and see if you approve or not, okay? 99% of the time, majority of the time, I like to approve the first 15 minutes, and after that we move forward. But sometimes there's a case the first 15 minutes doesn't sound like the audition. It doesn't sound like the same quality of the microphone. So you have to approve or reject, okay? So 8th step, listen and approve the first 15 minutes. After you approve the first 15 minutes, the 9th step is you want to listen to the whole audiobook, okay? Now, I don't listen to the entire whole thing because for time purposes, but I just listen to the first few seconds of each audio file of each of the chapters to make sure it is correct, because there has been instances where I have actually listened to the audio. It was a completely different book, okay? That was an error on the narrator's part or whatever happened, but that's why you have to double check. Listen and then approve the full audiobook. Once you approve the full audiobook, now it's time to pay the narrator, okay? Pay the narrator. How do you pay? Usually almost 99% of the time, I've done it with PayPal, because a lot of narrators have PayPal, publishers, authors have PayPal, so we like to work it. ACX, as of right now, doesn't have a payment option in their platform for whatever reason. They want to keep it separate, so I just use PayPal, pay the narrator, and after you pay the narrator has to confirm on ACX. There's a confirmation button that they receive the payment. So make sure after you pay the narrator, send a message to the narrator, hey, I sent you by payment, and how much you pay. It's going to show on ACX once the job is done how much you owe, and once you pay that payment to the narrator, tell them and ask them, hey, can you click on the confirmation button? Once they do that, then it goes to the approval process for ACX, and then it gets published over time. One last step, extra bonus step I would add to this. The next 11 step, if you decide to go non-exclusive with ACX, meaning you can want to go, you're able to publish to all the platforms. Instead of going exclusive, go non-exclusive. Then the 11th step, I would recommend to check out Find Away Voices. That's another audiobook platform for authors and publishers to turn the same audiobook from ACX and publish it to 40 plus additional audiobook stores out there. Okay, just make sure when you do use Find Away Voices, uncheck the ACX option, the Audible, Amazon, iTunes options, because you don't want duplicate content. So there you go, how to turn Amazon Kindle ebook into an audiobook step by step in about 5 minutes or less. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more about self-publishing, whether it's for authors or publishers for all genres, click the link below the video and check out my recommended resources like my online course. 1 second. My online course here. Sign up for my free email newsletter right here, and once you sign up for my free email newsletter, you get an opportunity to check out my online course about self-publishing, where you'll learn step by step how to start, grow, and succeed in your own publishing business as well. If you want done for you service or coaching from me, check out my done for you service coaching options here, because I have a lot of different options to help authors and publishers get started and publish their first book, or do Amazon advertising as well. If you want to write for my publishing brand, an easier and alternative way to become a published author, you do the writing and I'll take care of the rest, and you become a published author. Go to howexpert.com/writers, sign up for the free email newsletter, and go to the next page to check out the opportunity to become a published author for my publishing brand, HowExpert. I've helped hundreds of everyday people become published authors. You don't have to deal with all this self-publishing, all this knowledge all on your own. What's an ISBN, how to get the cover, how to format, all that. Don't have to do that. You just do the writing. I'll give you the instructions step by step, and you become a published author on Amazon, all the big publishing platforms out there. So thanks for watching. I gotta go. Talk to you soon, all right? Take care. Bye.